Engine has been rewired. Brand new hammer oiler installed. New aluminum fenders installed. They're covered right now to keep them from getting scuffed. New winch, cable, and either a brand new or a rebuilt winch with hydraulic motor. On this side, dual fuel tanks for the deck engine. So I'm not sure what the gallons are, but there's a lot of fuel for the deck side. Needs some paint touch up, which will be completed before shipment. Brand new winch and brand new cable here. New helpers control. 4-rod carousel, and the 7-rod carousel is still being out getting sandblasted. New valve bank on the bottom and number of new hoses. Machine's ready to drill, except that 7-rod carousel needs reinstalled. We need to put the table bushings in, and oh, the head was gone through as well with rebuilt or newer rebuilt top head motors, which those are like $6,000 each. Brand new tower chain and new lift cylinders. Rebuilt lift cylinders. There'd be rebuilt feed cylinders too, probably. Rebuilt feed cylinders, new sprockets and pins. Rebuilt feed cylinders, new sprockets and pins in the head. So needs some cleaning up done. There's a bunch of small stuff to take care of yet. Needs some cleaning up done. There's room right here once you clear this off. Adjust it around a little bit. We could set a guarded down 5x6 mud pump on there, air driven mud pump off there, and run it right off the air compressor. And it definitely needs some cleanup and some paint touch up, which will be taken care of. Here's actually, this would be a better place to put that guarded down 5x6 mud pump. So this machine is so you could go out and drill with it today, but we'd like to finish it right, and we're looking at an estimated 3 weeks to just kind of tie up the loose ends. I mean, you have some oil spilled here, you have some lights that need replaced, control panel cover, stuff like that. Definitely some loose ends to tie up, and I think that's about it. Let me know. Oh, this does not have a rod box, but with 7-rod and 4-rod carousel, you will have 2, 7, 11. If you can keep one on the spindle, 12 pieces of rod in the tower. They're 25-foot rods, so you have 275, 300 feet of drill pipe in the tower when you drive down the road. Then you can throw some extra on your water truck if you need it. 4 rods, another 100 feet, 8 rods. Yeah, well, you can do the math, obviously. Seeing if there's anything else. Yeah, well, hopefully I can get this video through to you. Guys, took some pictures as well, though.